Hi, I'm Smokin Koken, and this is my home. Now, as you might have seen, I live in an older home. It's really well constructed, great neighborhood, great location, and I've really enjoyed living here for about 20 years. But one of the things that bothered me was my heating and cooling system. In the winter, it was radiator heat, loud clanging, the pipes banging in the middle of the night. And in the summertime, there was a giant window unit right here that was supposed to cool the entire downstairs. In a Washington summer, believe me, it didn't get the job done. So that's why I had a friend refer me to Grove Heating and Cooling. And boy, am I glad he did. Now, a couple of things I made sure I didn't want. A big, loud unit sitting outside of my house and bothering the neighbors. So as you can tell, this isn't big and it's running. Can you hear it making any noise? The other thing I wanted to make sure of is I didn't want to see electrical wires running up and down the side of my house. Those are electrical wires. Can you tell that that's not a regular gutter downspout? I was impressed with the Grove team from our very first meeting. They came into the house and digitally measured every part of my house, upstairs, downstairs, to try and find the exact perfect location to place these Mitsubishi units. They decided 6 of them would be the best, and so now I have 6 individually programmable units scattered throughout the house for the ultimate in cooling and heating comfort. And on the day of the installation, everybody arrived exactly when they said they would, and they took meticulous care to make sure they weren't tracking any debris inside my house because they had to be inside and outside all day long. In fact, after every one of these units was installed, there was somebody here with a vacuum cleaner cleaning everything up. And if truth be told, they may have actually left it in better condition than when they found it. Now, this is my den, so I'm spending a lot of time out here watching games, preparing for the next game. But I'm not here all the time during the day, so why keep this room heated or cooled all day long when nobody's in it? Well, this is one of the beauties of this Mitsubishi system that I got through Grove Heating and Cooling. All I have to do is come in, press start, set the time for when I want the unit to go on, and when I come back home, this is either heated or cooled exactly the way I want it. One of the other things I enjoyed about working with Grove Heating and Cooling was the fact that they're a local, family-owned business. Gary Grove, in fact, has over 40 years' experience in the heating and cooling industry, and it was great to work with people who really knew what they were doing. And if you did the same type of research that I did, you'll find, of course, that they are highly rated and highly respected. They get great ratings on Angie's List, on Google reviews, and by the Better Business Bureau. Well, now you've seen the many reasons why I chose Grove Heating and Cooling and Mitsubishi products. Thank you for joining me, and make sure you check out Grove Heating and Cooling at their website, grovehvac.com, where you'll get even more information. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to get back inside where it's a lot warmer.